Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 0 to 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is a filtered unit wired for 220 volt 3-phase. Does come with a remote. We have it hooked up to our shop remote right now. This is not the remote that'll come with it, but it is remote controlled. Take a look at the inside here. It has been tested, checked out here at Lanco. It's in good working condition. We'll fire it up here in a second. Overall dimensions, 25 inches long by 28 inches wide by 44 inches high. And again, we'll turn it on here. This is not the remote that'll come with it. The remote is right there that'll come with it. So don't be alarmed. And we'll just get this going here. You can tell it's a very quiet machine. Slowly bring up the volts and the amps on this. You can see it is a filtered unit. Take a look at the O-scope there, very slight. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.